Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
So there's a seal and a jet in here, and the oil comes up into the oil filter gallery. Actually, I think it goes this way, through the oil filter, down through here, through the hole in the centre of the crankshaft, back in. So that's the old seal from here. I can see it's sort of flattened already after just it's been 2 weeks, I think. I'll leave all this on. Okay, I think I might do this first. I might do this on the bench, I think. I bought these circlip pliers. One does internal, one does external. A new gasket from Hitchcock's. The oil pump gaskets. And this is a set I got from... No, this is the leftover set from last time, so I won't need those. And I've got a complete new set sent from India. Okay, I'll pause it here, have a quick read. I think it's just a matter of taking this out, circlip first, but I'll do a quick read and then come back. Okay, I've decided to take the oil filter out, so I can just check the oil gallery from this as well. I need my little hook. So I think that's it there. And it runs through here and comes out this jet. So I'll okay, I think Might have a quick read, see if does that need to be destroyed to come out. Okay, looks like it just pull it out. Well, there you go. Make sure I don't get these mixed up with the new ones. And then in here there's a little, oh, that's from the seal. This probably doesn't need replacing because it's made of steel. But I bought used ones anyway, so I got them from Hitchcock's, and the cost for postage and stuff, so I just bought 2 of everything. I bought 4 lots of O-rings for the here, new spare circlips. Okay, now what I'll do